Welcome to Star Technology 5G. If you installed a hard disk into computer and Windows is not showing that hard disk, don't worry, I will show you how to display hard disk information. Let's start the video. In today's video, I will show you what is M2 SSD hard disk and how to install M2 SSD hard disk into laptop. What is M2 SSD hard disk? An M2 SSD is a small form factor solid-state drive, SSD, that is used in internally mounted storage expansion cards. M2 SSD conform to a computer industry specification and are designed to enable high-performance storage in thin, power-constrained devices, such as ultrabook laptops and tablet computers. Today I received this WD Blue hard disk. Its capacity is 1 TB and I am going to install this hard disk in my laptop. First of all, I will open this hard disk. Here is the instruction manual. And here is the M2 hard disk. We are going to install this hard drive into this HP laptop. Open this screw and remove this cover. That is Wi-Fi module. And here is the slot where we will install the M2 hard disk. Here is its front side. Be careful with these two cuts. Now insert this chip into that slot and tight one screw here. Open this screw and remove this cover. Here is RAM. And here is SSD 2.5 inches hard disk. So we just increased the laptop storage space without removing the SSD hard disk. Close all covers. And switch on the laptop. Window is ready. Open this PC. As you can see, I have very limited space. Here is the C drive. That is D Google Drive. E drive is full. And F drive has some space. But Windows is not showing the M2 hard disk we just installed. Right-click on this PC. Open Manage. Now click on Disk Management. Loading disk configuration information. Initialize disk. Cancel. Here is disk partition information. Disk 0 basic 238 GB but it's 256 GB. Partitions C, E, and F. Here is the disk. One unknown 931 GB, but it is 1 TB. Its space is unallocated. Right-click on Disk 1. List is opened. Click on Initialize Disk. Initialize Disk. You must initialize a disk before the logical disk manager can access it. Master boot record. Select GUID partition table. And click OK. Now right-click here, and click on New Simple Volume. Welcome to the New Simple Volume wizard. Next. Maximum disk space in MB. Minimum disk space in MB. Simple volume size in MB. I need 250 GB in the first partition. Next. Assign the following drive letter. Select any letter. I selected the default letter H. Or select mount in the following empty NTFS folder. Next. Format this volume with the following settings. NTFS. Allocation unit size by default. Next. Finish. New volume H found. Now right click here. And click on New Simple Volume. Welcome to the new Simple Volume wizard. Next. Maximum disk space in MB. Now that I do not want more partitions, I will create one whole partition. 700 GB second partition. Next. Assign the following drive letter. Select any letter. I selected the default letter, IE. Next. Format this volume with the following settings. Next. Finish. A new volume IE found. Now both drive are showing. Close this window. Open this PC. Now you can see we have two more drives. C drive, D drive, E drive, F drive, H drive, and IE drive. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Star Technology 5G. Please like and share the video.